Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's February 23rd, and we're here in the workshop, and we're going to try planting papayas again. Okay, we're going to start by filling up our trays. Now, got my oldest daughter here, and she's wanting to do papayas, so maybe she's going to have better luck than I am. But she's going to get these trays filled, and what we've got is we've got some pawpaws seeds, and we've got two different types of papayas. One was a strawberry papaya. So we're going to plant uh, these up, and we'll kind of go through the process here. Okay, we've got our cell trays full, and the important thing is make sure you uh, mark the labels. Now we do have some uh, Mylar packages. We'll put extra seeds in there for storage. This mix that we're using is a mix that I always use. It's a 1-1-1 mixture of wood chip compost that's been sifted, perlite, and peat moss, just in case you're wondering. Okay, now we just made little divots, and we're going to plant the seeds. We have 15 seeds, and we're going to plant 12 cells, so we'll put one in each one, and then we'll just put the extra 3 double up on some of them. Okay, now we're just going to cover these over a little bit, and we'll do the same with the other seeds. Now we're planting the regular papaya seeds. We've got quite a few of these, so we'll put 2 in each one, and we'll thin them as we need to if we'll get real good germination. Now this mixture that we're using is pre-moistened, and I always say pre-moisten it. Now we're going to plant the pawpaws, and these have been put in sand, keep them moist sand whenever they were shipped, and we're going to get those stuck in here. It's a matter of finding them. Now we're supposed to have 10. We'll see how that goes. And we got ones kind of growing, got roots on it, so we'll have to do a little different with it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get a stick to plant these roots. Okay, now after they're all planted, we're going to water them in good, even though this is pre-moistened. If it's not pre-moistened, a lot of times it's hydrophobic, or most times, and it's just going to let the water drain through. But this will settle around. It'll give plenty of moisture for germination. With our other papayas, we didn't have a problem with germination. It was just that after they germinated, they kind of died off. Maybe it was something to do with the pot was bigger, maybe the moisture wasn't right. We can assume all kinds of things, but we're going to water these good till the water drains out. We want to make sure, like I say, that they got a good amount of moisture. And that should be pretty good. Normally I can tell by the weight of the tray, which feels good. Now we're going to center this in this tray, and we're going to put a dome on it, and we'll put it on our grow station. And anyway, if you'd like to see more content like this, well, of course, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up. Share this video. And if you have any comments, please do so. And enjoy that gardening experience.